Enrico Fermi, Unlocking the Power of the Atom. Welcome to Lost Pages of Science. Today, we journey into the heart of the atomic realm, a realm where tiny particles hold immense power and the secrets of the universe are unlocked through nuclear reactions. Imagine a time when the atom was not yet fully understood, and the idea that it could be split to release incredible energy seemed like something out of science fiction. This is the story of Enrico Fermi, a brilliant physicist whose work in nuclear reactions revolutionized our understanding of the atomic nucleus and set the stage for the atomic age. Picture a laboratory filled with the hum of experimental apparatus and the glow of theoretical insights, a place where curiosity meets precision. Fermi's contributions not only propelled us into a new era of scientific discovery, but also paved the way for practical applications in energy, medicine, and beyond. Today we explore how Fermi's legacy continues to influence our world, inviting you to reflect on the power and responsibility that come with harnessing nature's most fundamental forces. Enrico Fermi was born into a world where scientific discovery was just beginning to unlock nature's secrets. Growing up in Italy, Fermi showed an early fascination with mathematics and physics, a curiosity that would drive him to explore the invisible forces governing our universe. Imagine a young mind captivated by the mysteries of nature, questioning why the world behaves the way it does, and dreaming of one day peering into the heart of the atom. Fermi's education was marked by a rare combination of intellectual rigor and creative thinking. He wasn't satisfied with accepting established theories at face value. He sought to understand the underlying principles that connected the dots of scientific knowledge. This relentless pursuit of truth would become the hallmark of his career. Have you ever experienced that moment when a simple question sparked a lifelong quest for understanding? Fermi's journey reminds us that every breakthrough begins with a single burning question. As Fermi progressed in his studies, he quickly became known for his ability to merge theoretical insights with practical experimentation. His work during the early decades of the 20th century laid the groundwork for what would become a transformative era in physics. At a time when the inner workings of the atom were shrouded in mystery, Fermi emerged as a bold thinker who was unafraid to challenge conventional wisdom. One of his most significant contributions was in the study of nuclear reactions, the process by which the nucleus of an atom changes, often releasing or absorbing vast amounts of energy. Fermi's experiments with neutron bombardment provided groundbreaking evidence that atoms could be transformed in ways never before imagined. By systematically investigating how neutrons interacted with different elements, he uncovered patterns that pointed to a deeper underlying order within the atomic nucleus. Imagine a scientist meticulously charting the interactions of subatomic particles, each experiment a step closer to revealing the hidden dance of the nucleus. Fermi's work demonstrated that by controlling these reactions, it was possible to release energy stored deep within the atom, a discovery that would soon have far-reaching implications for both science and society. Perhaps Fermi's most celebrated achievement was his leadership in building the first nuclear reactor, a project that brought his theoretical work into the realm of practical application. Under his guidance at the University of Chicago, a team of dedicated scientists constructed Chicago Pile 1, the world's first controlled, self-sustaining nuclear chain reaction. This achievement was not just a scientific milestone, it was a turning point that marked the beginning of the atomic age. Imagine the tension and excitement in that historic moment as the reactor hummed to life for the first time. Fermi's reactor proved that it was possible to harness nuclear reactions in a controlled environment, opening the door to a future where nuclear energy could be used for power generation, medical treatments, and scientific research. His work provided a template for safely managing the immense energy released by nuclear reactions, a challenge that continues to shape our technological landscape today. This monumental step was not without its ethical and practical dilemmas. Fermi, like many of his contemporaries, was acutely aware of the dual nature of nuclear energy, the potential for both tremendous benefit and devastating harm. His measured approach to research and his insistence on rigorous scientific methods ensured that the pursuit of knowledge was balanced with a deep sense of responsibility. Have you ever pondered the fine line between innovation and risk? Fermi's legacy is a powerful reminder that every scientific breakthrough carries with it the weight of ethical considerations and the potential to change the world. Fermi's contributions to the field of nuclear reactions extend far beyond the construction of the first reactor. His research helped illuminate the fundamental principles governing nuclear interactions, from the behavior of neutrons to the mechanisms that drive chain reactions. These insights not only deepened our understanding of the atomic nucleus, but also spurred a cascade of developments in nuclear physics. Through his work, Fermi demonstrated that nuclear reactions could be both predictable and controllable. This was a radical departure from earlier, more chaotic views of atomic energy. His theories provided the framework for understanding how energy is released during nuclear fission, the process by which a heavy nucleus splits into smaller fragments, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. Imagine a chain reaction where one event triggers another, a cascade of transformations that, when carefully managed, can be harnessed to produce energy. Fermi's research showed that by moderating these reactions, it was possible to achieve a balance between energy production and safety, a principle that underlies every nuclear reactor in operation today. His work is a cornerstone of modern nuclear physics, inspiring generations of scientists to explore the mysteries of the atom with precision and care. The impact of Enrico Fermi's work transcends the confines of the laboratory. His pioneering efforts in nuclear reactions have had a lasting influence on a wide array of fields, from energy production and medical imaging to astrophysics and beyond. The practical applications of his research are evident in the power plants that light our cities, the diagnostic tools that save lives, and the fundamental theories that continue to drive scientific inquiry. Fermi's contributions also played a crucial role in the development of the Manhattan Project, a monumental effort during World War II that harnessed nuclear reactions for both military and peaceful purposes. While the ethical implications of that period remain a subject of deep reflection, there is no denying that Fermi's work laid the technical and theoretical groundwork for an era of unprecedented scientific and technological progress. Consider how a single mind can alter the course of history. Fermi's legacy is not just about scientific breakthroughs, it is about the profound responsibility that comes with wielding the power of the atom. His life teaches us that with great discovery comes great duty, to use knowledge wisely, to weigh the benefits against the risks, and to always remain vigilant in the pursuit of truth. As we reflect on the life and work of Enrico Fermi, consider these questions. What does it mean to unlock the power of the atom? How can we balance the immense potential of nuclear energy with the ethical imperatives that govern its use? In what ways do Fermi's innovations continue to influence our world today, from the energy that powers our homes to the medical technologies that save lives? These questions invite us to think deeply about the legacy of scientific discovery. Fermi's work challenges us to explore not only the technical aspects of nuclear reactions, but also the broader implications for society, ethics, and the future of scientific research. As our exploration of Enrico Fermi and nuclear reactions comes to a close, let us celebrate the remarkable journey of a man who dared to unlock the secrets of the atomic nucleus. Fermi's visionary work not only transformed our understanding of nuclear physics, but also ushered in a new era of technological innovation and societal change. His legacy endures in every nuclear reactor, every medical imaging device, and every scientific inquiry that builds on the foundation he helped lay. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of nuclear science. I invite you to share your thoughts and reflections. What aspects of Fermi's legacy inspire you the most? How do you see the balance between scientific innovation and ethical responsibility playing out in our modern world? Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a powerful force that can reshape our world. This is your host from Lost Pages of Science, urging you to embrace the spirit of discovery and to honor the legacy of pioneers like Enrico Fermi, whose work continues to illuminate the path forward in our ever-changing universe.